Good morning, More Power Go class. So welcome to week 2, our first spelling lesson of the week. And all of this week we'll be looking at words with a soft C spelt with the letters C-E. And the soft C makes a S sound. And I've put some pictures on this slide of some words that we're going to learn to spell this week. And there's some clues for you. I wonder if you can work out what some of the words will be. Remember, they've got a S sound, but they're actually spelt with a C-E. So today, we'll look at the spelling rule. We're then going to do a word search to hunt for some spelling words, see if you can spot any. Then we're going to practice writing the spelling words as well. So soft C makes a S sound. So this can actually mean that some words that might sound like they start with a S can actually begin with the letter C. For example, certificate. And I wonder if you got the clue from the first slide, certificate. The second letter of a word that starts with a S sound is an E, an I, or a Y. The sound could in fact be made with a C. So centre starts with CE. Actually, it's a S sound. I've got a word search here. I'm not going to give you the words. I'd like you to hunt for some words. And in this word search, there are 10 different words that have CE in them, the S sound. On the second line down, I've spotted one, and it says sentence. Now, you can see that the CE is at the end of the word sentence. You can pause the video, see if you can find 9 other words with the CE letters in them and write them down in your book. Pause the video now. I wonder, did you manage to find all of these words? Let's go through them together. They've got picture clues on them, and we'll talk about what they mean at the same time. So the first word is centre. Can you repeat that? Centre. Certificate. You say certificate. Ceremony. Recent. Experience. Notice. Sentence. Celebrate. Certain. Century. If you're certain about something, what do you think it means? Just pause the video and have a think about that. Well done. If you're certain of something, you're really sure of it. Now, see if you can write a definition for the word century. Pause the video, have a go at that. Well done. Century is a period of time that is 100 years. That is a century. And you'll notice in all of these words, the CE comes at different points in the word. Sometimes it's at the beginning, sometimes it's at the end, like sentence. Sometimes it might be in the middle, like recent. Remember, it makes the S sound, but it's spelt CE. And I've just highlighted in red here where the S sound, spelt C-E, comes in each of these words. Let's read them again together. Centre, century, certain, recent, experience, sentence, notice, celebrate, ceremony, certificate. Now, what I'd like you to do is practice writing out your spelling words. Now, you can do this in whichever creative way you'd like to do so. You can write them as word art. You could build them out of Lego, maybe. See how creative you can be to write down all of your spelling words for this week. Make sure that you copy them correctly so that you learn to spell them right. Remember, the soft C makes the S sound, but it's spelt C-E. Well done, Year 4. I'm looking forward to seeing all of the creative ways that you come up with to write out your spelling words for this week. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.